3. Hi, Scrappers.
Hi Scrappers!
Hi, Scrappers.
Welcome everyone to Scrapping with Kids. I just wanted to show you this video, what I just picked up, which I thought was impressive. So what we have is a old school bandsaw. So what it is, I saw this just on the side of the road as we were coming back. We went to buy some aluminium ramps. So these ramps are actually brand new. They're rated at 500 kilos each. So we've purchased 2 of them. And on our way back, just saw that on the side of the road. So decided to pull over and had a chat with the neighbour of the house where this was outside, and he said to me that the bloke that lived next door to him is moving out and he's just putting some of his old machinery out. Well, obviously some of the other machinery has been picked up, but this one was still on the side. He did say this works, and as you can see, this is the model number, MJ3435 bandsaw, supplied by Flex and Jepson Australia PL. So it is an old school bandsaw, as you can see by some of these knobs here, but also by the heavy duty metal that was used in the material. So this ain't your cheap slapped together type of machine. So it's a good old industrial machine, and as you can see, the motor's there, the belt is there. It's missing the saw itself, but most of the stuff is still there. So what I might do, I might get a lead and just plug it in, just to have a look if it still actually works. Yeah. How's that for a find? Alright, I'll just get a lead. Let's see if this thing works. There's the future scrappers. Oh, look at this place. There's so much stuff in the garage here. You can see there's just a small pathway just to get through, and that's about it. A lot of PlayStation gear. I've found, I think, about 8 Xboxes 360s, a couple of PlayStation 2s, a lot of games, just gotta put it up and sell it really. But found a Mongoose MGX original, a couple of scrapped PCs over there which I need to clean out, a lot of DVD players. I might do a tour of my garage one day, but let's get this lead. Let's have a look if this Kookaburra bag with all the equipment in there, helmet, gloves, pads, the whole works. So yeah, some really good stuff. Some of this obviously I will keep for the kids. Okay, so let's have a look if this actually works. There you go. So it does work. Wow. Not bad at all. Wow. It is a very heavy unit, so it took myself and the neighbour to actually get it on the car. So it's very well built, old school industrial bandsaw. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Keep an eye out. As you can see, there's always some good things that people no longer need, and they put it out on the hard rubbish. So you are bound to find some good quality equipment. Alright. Stay safe. Until next time. Bye for now.